Hey, I got this microphone in from a company called PQRQP. Decently priced on Amazon. Looks like a decent product. What I need is a microphone. I like to do videos, and sometimes I end up walking a little ways away from the camera and you can't hear me. So this is going to help with that. I'm hoping it's going to make my videos come out a lot clearer. I'm not going to have to speak so loud so you could hear me. So let's go ahead and check this one out. It comes with two boxes. I would call this the communicator and a charge cord. So let's go ahead and pop this guy out. It's got some instructions in the bottom there for you. So it's got a little button on the bottom of the ball. Goes right over the microphone, just like that. This guy right here is just gonna plug into the bottom of your phone. It looks like you can use a bunch of things to record off of, but I'm gonna be using my phone. So it's got an iPhone, and then it has that round, I think they call that UBC, and it's also got the headphone style. So I'm gonna be plugging this into my iPhone. It plugs in just like that. It powers on. So you may, if you have a really big case, you may have to take the case off. It does come with these boxes, a charge cord, so you can charge up two at once if you wanted to. I already did charge these guys up. You just simply hold on to the power button and it turns on. It is a plug and play, so this guy works right out of the box. All right, so I got the microphone on now. And let's go ahead and test it out. I know that it's very echoey inside of the shop, and especially if I'm not facing the camera, you cannot hear it. So let's just see how well this turned out. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Check it out. Click on the link below and pick up a set for yourself. It comes with two microphones.